In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Sellfy. Whether you're a seasoned author or just writing your first book, Sellfy makes it easy to set up an online store and get your work out there. Let's get started. First, you'll need to create a Sellfy account if you haven't already. Head over to their website and sign up. Registration is straightforward, and once you're in, make sure you log in because everything we're going to do today starts from your dashboard. Here, you'll have all the tools you need to start selling your digital products like ebooks with just a few clicks. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to add product. Click on that and choose digital product from the drop-down menu. This tells Sellfy that you're going to upload a digital file like an ebook rather than a physical item. It's specifically designed for digital goods, so it's a perfect fit for what we're doing today. Now, it's time to upload your ebook file. Sellfy supports several formats, including the popular PDF and EPUB, so you can choose the one that best suits your book and audience. Simply drag and drop your file into the upload area, and Sellfy will handle the rest. Once your file is uploaded, you'll be prompted to enter some details for your ebook. This includes the title, a description, and importantly, the price. Make sure your title is enticing and accurately reflects the content of your ebook. Your description should be engaging and informative, providing potential buyers with all the necessary information to make a purchase decision. And setting a competitive price is key, so take a moment to research similar titles to ensure your pricing is attractive. Next, let's give your product listing some visual appeal by customizing the product images. Having quality images can significantly impact a buyer's decision, so if you have a beautiful cover, make sure it's front and center. You can also preview how your product will look in your store, making adjustments as needed to ensure everything is perfect. With your product looking great, you'll want to set up your payment methods next. Sellfy allows you to connect popular payment platforms like PayPal or Stripe. This ensures that when someone decides to purchase your ebook, they have a seamless transaction experience and you're able to receive payments without a hitch. Once everything's set up, it's time to hit that publish button. Publishing your ebook adds it to your Sellfy store, making it live and available for purchase. But don't just stop there. Share your store link or product page across your social media, email lists, or any other platform you're active on. This helps attract buyers and drive sales to your newly added ebook. Finally, with your ebook out in the world, Sellfy makes it easy to manage orders and deliver your ebook automatically. Sit back and let Sellfy handle the delivery, ensuring that your customers have a smooth and efficient experience receiving their purchase. And that's it. You've now successfully set up to sell ebooks on Sellfy. Remember, the platform is designed to keep things simple so you can focus more on creating great content and less on the technicalities of selling. Happy selling!